Good morning, Hope class. Wednesday, May the 6th. You have made it. Your last day of Hope class. Congratulations. Listen, you still have the opportunity. If you're missing any assignments, please take a look at RenWeb/facts. See if you're missing any assignments. Send them to me, and I'll get them put in the grade book for you. But we are not going to meet anymore. So, this is it, and I just want to take this opportunity and say thank you for a wonderful year. I certainly appreciated my time with you, and I'm very, very proud of you. I believe all of you showed such great maturity this fourth quarter, adapting to some really bizarre things. So congratulations, you did it. I want to encourage you to finish strong in your other classes. You just have a couple weeks. Hang in there, push to the finish line, and before you know it, summer break will be here, and you'll have the opportunity to decompress. I also want to encourage you to continue to be physically active. It is so very, very important for your not only your physical health, but your overall health as well. I want to encourage you. You've been exercising this last 9 weeks. Just keep pushing. Enjoy the summer. Your body's made to move, so go ahead and move it. As a reminder, tomorrow is National Day of Prayer. And I just would ask that you would take this opportunity to spend some time with the Lord. Be quiet, be still, listen, and just be thankful and grateful. And just remember that you're never alone. He's right there at your side, so you can boldly move forward. And so that's really all I have for you. So I guess it is time to say goodbye. I'm going to leave you with a song that sort of always makes me smile. And it makes me think of you. You know, we've talked about so many things this year, and, you know, relationships is obviously one of them. But it makes me think of you and your future and all the possibilities that are waiting for you. So I hope you enjoy Andrea Bocelli and Ed Sheeran. Remember, I'm here for you. If I can ever be of assistance at any time, I'm just an email away. So please just reach out to me, and I will get in touch with you. So for now, I just want to say goodbye and thank you again for a wonderful year.